ever get that feeling?
Mm.
Like, just totally stuck, trying to make a decision. Doesn't matter if it's big or small.
Hmm.
Well, today we're going to dive into something different, totally different.
Different how?
A whole new way to make decisions. It's called, well, get this, rolling the dice.
Like with actual dice?
Yep. We're looking at this Android app. It's called Dice Man.
Dice Man.
Dice Man, founded on Google Sites. And, this app, it's not like your typical dice game. It's not about, like, winning or losing.
So what is it about?
Letting chance basically, kind of nudge you in one direction or another.
So is it like a joke? Just a fun app?
Maybe,
Uh,
but maybe there's something more to it. That's what we're going to find out.
yeah, I'm intrigued. Most of the decision-making stuff out there, it's all about like, getting more control. This sounds, I don't know, like the opposite.
Right. It's almost like a rebellion against, overthinking, which we all do.
Totally. Yeah, like we analyze every little thing to death.
Exactly. And I can see how, like, for those little everyday decisions, it can be really helpful. Like, should I wear the blue shirt?
We're the red one.
Exactly. That kind of thing. But this app, it goes even further. It suggests using dice for some pretty big life choices.
Whoa. Yeah, that's interesting. Really makes you think.
Like, imagine, you have a job offer.
And you're rolling dice to decide.
Or even, even bigger, buying a house.
Wow. That's a whole other level. But I mean, could that actually work? Could, like, giving up control to chance actually, I don't know, maybe reduce your anxiety, lead to new opportunities? Who knows?
Right. It's kind of like flipping a coin, but with, like, way more possibilities. What about you? What do you think would be the most, the most intriguing use of an app like this?
Ooh, that's a good question. For me, it'd have to be travel. Like, imagine, right, you're planning your next vacation. You can go anywhere in the world.
Anywhere.
But instead of, like, researching and making lists and, stressing over it, you just
Roll the dice.
roll the dice, boom. And, you could end up somewhere you'd never even considered before.
I love that. Yeah, like, roll a 1. Relaxing beach vacation.
Roll a 6.
You're off to explore ancient ruins in Peru.
Exactly.
Okay, so this all sounds very cool and very, I guess, random. But how does the app actually work?
Well, it's actually pretty simple. Basically, it has these multiple games, in quotes, and they're arranged on a carousel. Like, you can swipe through them.
Okay.
And you can actually customize each game.
Customize.
Yeah, like you can give them different names. You can change how many dice you roll. And you can even, get this, you can write custom results.
Custom result.
Yeah. So, like, let's say you want to decide what to eat for dinner.
Right.
Happens every night.
You create a game. Call it dinner dice.
Love it.
And then each number on the dice corresponds to a different restaurant.
So no more arguing over menus. Just shake your phone and bam, fate decides.
Okay, that makes sense. And I read that there are, like, also some default settings for those who just want to, like, jump right in.
Yeah, definitely. You can totally just, like, pick it up and go. There's even a demo, to get you started. But honestly, I think the real value here, the real interesting part, it's the questions this app raises.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Like, how much control do we really need,
Yeah.
Could embracing chance, like, really make our lives more fulfilling, more interesting?
It definitely makes you think twice about how we usually approach decisions.
Right. Like,
Yeah.
maybe we should loosen up a bit. Let go of the reins.
So I guess the big question is, would you ever actually use an app like this
Would you?
to make your decisions? And what do you think, about the whole idea of letting chance play a role? Like, what are the potential benefits?
And the drawbacks.
Yeah. We'd love to hear what you think. Let us know.